Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you customize each type of notification for your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening that, you just simply have to select the server for which you would like to customize your notifications. And after selecting server, you just simply right click to the profile picture of that server, and then you will get this option of notification settings. Now you can customize what type of notification that you want from this section. For messages, I have selected the notification to all messages if you only want mentions, and if you want nothing from the messages section, you can select it likewise. You can also select if you want to suppress @everyone and @here, means you can suppress any of these tags if you would like to. If you want to suppress all role and mention, you can check this box, and if you want to suppress highlights and if you want to mute new events, you can check this box accordingly. Then you can also enable or disable mobile push notification. Just simply enable, disable and check all of the notifications that you want or what you don't want. I hope this video was informative for you. This way you can customize your Discord notifications. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.